the Active Directory deployment, Active Directory server deployment, where we have installed the ADD domain services on our Windows Server 2025. As you can see in the screen, guys. Now, in the last video, like we were getting an error while deploying the server manager through promoting the roles to domain controller. But now, after switching do, after doing some changes, we have successfully reach out for deploying the server to our domain controller. So what we have done, guys, we have changed the domain to example.local from learning curve. So I will change it here also to let you know that it's example.local. And here also the NetBIOS name I have changed it to, the server name also I have changed DC01. Okay, these are the changes I have done. D's capital C01. Wait. Okay, here you can see the network adapter. I have changed the IP address to the IP static IP address to 192.168.1.10. Okay, and assign the default gateway. And after that, I have done the changes in our this NetBIOS name, which is the, you can see here NetBIOS name also DC01 we have given. When we scroll down, we'll see the NetBIOS name also in our error logs. Okay, full replication is done. See, guys, what all error we have got while performing those things. But now we are successfully done the NetBIOS name also. So NetBIOS name is example only, since I know that when I started the wizard, and the server name, the forest mode which we have done, which is a DC01. This is our host name. Okay, here you can see the host name. I have opened a terminal also. CDC-01. Okay. Now when I go again to here, and rest of the settings all got same, guys. So I will save the script also. Now after that, what I have done, guys, in order to perform the health checkup, I have run a DC diag test in order to ensure that our all test will pass. Means while checking out the domain control. So I will run this command again in order to show you. So I have logged into the, means I have opened the terminal admin from here. When you right click on it, then you will see the terminal admin part here, terminal admin, that will open a PowerShell as an administrator in our console window for our server 2025 for our domain controller, which we have given the name. Okay, now I will run this command diag to perform the health checkup for domain controller health checkup, whether after setting promoting the server to a domain controller, all the settings are ensure that DNS is working and our server can resolve the host name also, which is dc01.example.local. Okay, guys, as you have seen the script. Now I will do Control C because it's asking us to install the latest PowerShell version. Okay, so we'll install it later. However, for now, we just need to ensure that we would run the DC domain controller health check. Right here the command in order to check the domain controller health check. Okay, so this test, see, they have identified the forest and testing the default first site name, which is our DC01. So we passed the test, connected successfully. Then doing the primary test, guys, testing server. Okay, it's a default first site name. It's very self-explanatory, guys, and it's going in a very smooth way. So I hope you will like and subscribe this channel for more videos. And I hope that after the health checkup is done, it will again come up as a C administrator, users administrator window only. See, the primary test is doing it. SYSVOL problems may occur. They are the warning errors where when the different folders are made, like the NTDS folder, the SYSVOL folders. Okay, so certain warnings we will see here. However, to avoid such issues, let's see, we'll check now. DC fail test DFSR event. Okay, so Directory Federation Service, we have not installed the rules. So some of the rules will get failed because we are just provisioning the server to a domain controller, which is our example.local, guys. Okay, so net logon, all the tests pass successfully. Here you can see, guys, doing the health checkup, it has passed all the enterprise tests successfully on example.local, guys. Okay, so I hope this video will be clear to you. And for management roles also, if you wish to install, we can install it for the Active Directory. But for as if now our main motive was to install these rules for domain controller. So you can see ADDS rules, we have installed it. So here you will see the details of Active Directory domain services role. Now in the next step, guys, as per our discussion, since we have set up the server 2025 on our virtual box and installed the Active Directory domain services role, and means we have now promoted the server to a domain controller. Okay, so now what we have done, we have included the example.local in this option. Okay, so now what we will do, in the next video we will check the provisioning of users in our Active Directory, and thereafter we will check for the registering those on-premise users. Now this will be considered as on-premise users because I have set up the Oracle VirtualBox on my local machine, and after that I have set up a server 2025 on our local machine. And now when I will register the users through Active Directory domain services, it will enroll into Office 365, guys. Okay, so that we'll see in the upcoming videos. Stay connected, guys. Thank you for watching.